Say hi, Uncle. Oh! Say hi, uncles. Go, say hi. Say I'll see you guys soon. Say hi, Grandma. Nope, no watching TV. Come on. Say hi. Yeah. Oh, who's that too? You know AJ? Are you trying to watch TV? Come on, say hi, Uncle Ariel. Hi, Uncle Andre. Hi, Uncle Book. I'll see you guys soon. Tell them. See? Say hi. See you later. Say hi, little Stella. Say hi. Play a song for them. Here, play a song for them on your new toy. See, she's trying to watch TV. I'm blocking it. Say hi. Are you playing a song for them? What song is that? Play another song, another one. Here, press it. Come on. Let's see your feet.
How does Santa's toy machine work? The toy machine has three important
Get it.
parts. First are the buckets full of toy parts. The buckets dump the right parts down a long slide that goes to the second important part, the magic duster. The magic duster sprinkles the toy parts with Santa's magic dust. They turn into toys.
Oh yeah, I have to make. Oh no.
But the toys aren't finished until they go to the third part of the toy machine, the wrapper. The wrapper wraps the toys so that they're
Am I blocking you?
on Santa's sleigh.
Okay, so see you later, uncles.
Machine works.
So see you later.
To make the last three,
We love you.
we have to start with buckets full of toy
Olivia, do it.
buckets.
Do it. You're not gonna play a song for them? Play a song. One more song. Here, look. Look at yourself. Yeah.
It looks like the machine is all mixed up. We need to figure out which
Your toes.
has the parts we need.
I can figure it out. I've got Santa's
Okay, see you later. Kiss. 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 Oh, no. Get it. No eating. Okay, love you. See you later.